Hello friends, today we are going to discuss management information system, and in that the topic will be decision support system, that is DSS in short. In this we have topic outline, and following are the topic outline of DSS. It's a learning objectives, an overview of the DSS, characteristics and capabilities of DSS, components of a DSS, decision types and levels in organization, decision making and problem solving approaches, data driven versus model driven DSS, and this is summarized of DSS. Students going to learn this particular topic and they have certain objective, and we are calling them learning objective. The students will be able to define the DSS in business context. The students will be able to underline and understand the various types of decision taken at various level in a typical business organization setup. The students will be able to use DSS in taking decision by applying the knowledge acquired as per the lower levels of revised Bloom's taxonomy, define the stages of decision making, and discuss the importance of implementation and monitoring in problem solving. An overview of DSS. Decision support systems includes the people and the procedures, software, databases and devices that are used in problem solving and decision making, particularly useful when dealing with the semi-structured, poorly structured or unstructured situations. Although decision support systems are used most often at higher levels of management, all the employees may use them to assist in even programmable decision. Characteristics of DSS. Following are the important characteristics, that is, it is management oriented. It is a computer system that combines database and model base. It is a user-friendly software for semi-structured and structured decision making. It offers potential to assist in solving both semi-structured and unstructured problems. Characteristics of a DSS. Continued. Perform complex, sophisticated analysis such as simulations, where a user is allowed to model a problem by duplicating features of a real system. This generally involves some uncertainty or probability. Second is what if analysis. Even simple spreadsheets support what if analysis, which allow the user to make changes to input variables to see the result on outcomes. And thirdly, goal seeking analysis. It allows the users to set the goal, and input can be defined by DSS. Continue with the characteristics of the DSS. It handles large amount of data from various different resources. Provide report and presentation flexibility. It offers both textual and graphical orientation, and it supports drill down analysis. Capabilities of a DSS. It supports all problem solving phases, support different decision frequencies, support different problem structures, and support various decision making levels. Components of a DSS. Students, please focus on the screen. Just read the diagram for a minute. Okay. Now comes decision making phase and component of problem solving. In this we have several phases like intelligence gathering, designing, making choices, implementing the choices, and monitoring the decisions. Again, if something goes wrong, we have to provide the feedback from monitoring to intelligence. Remember one thing, if there are the choices, there has to be decision. If there is no choice, there is no decision. And we get different type of solutions which are generally based on three different approaches, and they are called as optimized solutions, satisfying solutions, and heuristic solutions. Types of decisions being taken by DSS are basically unstructured, semi-structured, and even structured, and this supports all the levels in the organization like operational level, tactical level, and strategic level. According to the DSS, we can define the organizational levels in three different levels. At the operational management level, the decision taken are structured, whereas at semi-structured decisions are taken at the tactical level or tactical management level, and unstructured decisions are taken at the strategic management level. Certain information characteristics are there according to the level of the management in the organization. Just go through. Now, decision types are defined basically programmed versus non-programmed decisions. Programmed decisions are basically further subdivided into various different categories. That is, structured situations with a well-defined relationship. They are quantifiable. They are management information systems. That is output of MIS as a tool, and easy to computerized. Whereas non-programmed decisions are basically, they are based on the rules and relationships which are not defined in advance. Problems are not known and they are not of routine, and they are not easily quantifiable. Problem solving approaches, there are three different approaches. The one is optimization, that find optimum solutions when we solve problems using DSS. Second is satisfying solutions, that finds a good solution, but it does not guarantee that it is the best solution. And third is heuristic solutions, that is rules of thumb. That means generally agreed practices and rules are accepted and considered as outcome as a problem solution. Now, DSS, there are two different models which can be categorized: data driven versus model driven. In the data driven DSS, primarily it performs qualitative analysis based on company's database, whereas in the model driven DSS primarily performs mathematical or quantitative analysis. So, summary: an organization collection of people, procedure, software, database and device working to support specialization support systems designed to meet the needs of the senior management. Thanks.